Combined with the RENPHO app, this tape measure is the ideal way to stay healthy and fit. No more struggling to get your measurements and keeping an accurate record of them. The unique features of the tape measure allow you to easily take measurements on any part of your body, then quickly and accurately record the progress in the app. The easy lock hook makes measuring circumference a breeze. The large digital display allows you to see your measurements in inches or centimeters, rather than try to struggle to see the marks on the tape itself. The two modes allow you to measure both in a straight line and the unique body circumference mode. A push of the button retracts the tape for easy storage. The graph on the app allows you to clearly and intuitively see your body changes over time. Ideal for people of all ages and stages of life, whether you're measuring a pregnancy, looking to gain muscle mass, trying to lose weight, or just curious about your body's condition. Combined in